my subscribers, the rate at which my farm, how would I even put it? I don't know if it's the rain or something else is attached. Whether I don't really know what could be the cause. But if you know what could be the cause of what I just want to say now, I think you can hit it on the comment section for me so that I should know. Now, what is the thing I want to say? I am, whenever you see me, I just know that I'm in my watermelon farm, which is incorporated with my corn farm. But I don't know. Looking at what by what I can see, they are not doing well. The crops are not doing well at all. But all things being equal, you understand, they are not doing well. I know fruit borers, some insects are eating up the like the watermelon. I'll be showing you, but look at my corn. It's as if something is disturbing them. You understand? It is struggling. The corns are struggling from what I can see. I know you, and because you cannot see it because of the grasses, because of the rain that is falling. You can see. So there is a lot of grasses here, which I want to start taking care of. You don't understand? Yes, I need to start taking care of them, which is very, very important. But what is my concern now is my watermelon. I know I was supposed to plant it early, let's around February or thereabout, but they are not doing well. So I don't really know what could be the problem at which the watermelon are not doing well. Whether it's excessive rain, but there's no much rain here. Rain no, they really fall like that. Once rain falls here once, before it will fall again. You know, understand? And the rate at which sun will shine, you'll be wondering as if you'll be thinking, what could be the problem? Look at, it's just some few of them. The watermelon, just few of them that are coming, that are doing well. I know in the business of farming, not all of them, not all the crops you planted, you will expect them to do well. But my fans, if you know what could be the problem, if you know the solutions, if you know what I could do, if you know what I could add, if you know what I can do, it's only one I see over there that is doing, it is moving, but the leaves, like, they are struggling, you understand? Whether it's excessive water, but this place is more like a slopey area. So I don't think this thing should be able to hold on water. Now looking at, let me show yours. I think it's only this one. You see? I think it's only this one that is doing well. Because it is moving. It's moving, but the leaves is a concern. So I don't really know what could be the problem. I don't really know what could cause the stunted growth. Yes, because that's the word. The growth are stunted. So if you know, please hit it in the comment section for me. Let me also know. Don't forget, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel or seeing my video for the first time, please, what you do for me, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video just like this one. It is your #1 agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie Agric. I'll see you guys in the next video.